Good evening, dear Fisher. I would like to submit my homework for shop number 2 about correct detail using temperature sensor by Arduino and Visual. First, I will introduce the DHT11 temperature sensor. The DHT11 is a basic low-cost digital sensor used to measure temperature and humidity. It is a commonly used in electronics projects, particularly with microcontrollers like Arduino. The DHT11 sensor consists of a capacitive humidity and a thermistor to measure to the surrounding air and output a digital signal on the data pin, often used in weather stations, environmental monitoring systems, and other DIY electronics projects where monitoring of temperature and humidity is required. Next is the DHT have three pins. One is ground, one is VCC, and one is data. The data pin to the VCC is power pin. There is a 10K resistor from data pin to power pin of the sensor. And again, I will introduce the program for Arduino. The row 1, the row 1, the row 1 and the row 2 are included a variable is named DHT and defined the data pin is number 2 on the Arduino board. The number isn't not just 2. It can define as 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to 13, and so on. The row 3 define a table from the HT11 temperature sensor. The row from 7 to 10, 7 to 10 are defined about void setup. The row from 12 to 29 are divided the video loop. Created the variable about centigrade temperature and humidity. Defined how centigrade temperature and humidity are displayed, and have some space between the display of centigrade temperature and humidity. The centigrade temperature and humidity are displayed in new name and design delay for 1 second. In Visual Studio, I have created the 0.1 for the Form 1 and the timer to control display time of temperature sensor data, and created a button named Connect, a box, a text box, a list box. The beginning of the program, the row 1 to 8 are automatically created by the system. We have written the row 9 and 10. The row 9 means include interface features available in the Windows operating system. The routine means that it allows for the communication with serial device. Like this, it means create a space name this. The keyword is used to declare a scroll that contains a set of related objects. Name. And this set the temperature and humidity begin from zero of temperature sense. For this program, it's there being if the available serial points on the computer is connected, there should COM3. If if the available serial port on the computer isn't connected, there shows unavailable. And then this program means created a time control from timer project for define the data show into text box and list box. In connected connect set part, the function defined when the connect button is clicked. Serial port is opened. Data to be sent and received. Combo box 1 displays the name of select serial port. The display time of data from temperature sense is defined as 1 second. And then it means created a show control from serial port properties for define the data read read the read from Arduino and execute the new na command. There are details of Sense Connect. This the left show of temperature and humidity by Arduino, and this the right show by Visual Studio. Like this, that shows video of temperature sensor is working by Arduino software. The video shown about the working of temperature sensor by Visual Studio software. Click Collect. And again, it will show the data for text box and the list box. For another program, the different is the define displaying about data of temperature. They have defined the display for centigrade temperature, Fahrenheit, and both heat index. Like this, the left is centigrade temperature. The second is Fahrenheit temperature, and the third is centigrade centigrade heat index. The last is Fahrenheit temperature heat index. This in by Arduino. This by Visual Studio. This video shows the another program working. This for simulation by vocal. This is show the working by Visual Studio. Okay, this is my introduction of homework for shop number 2 about connect data using temperature sensor by Arduino and Visual. Thank you.